everyone. This is a conversation between a mother and her daughter. Hi, Mom. Hi, dear. What happened? You came back early today? Yeah, Mom. It was a very hectic day today. You look so exhausted. Go and freshen up quickly. Okay, Mom. In the meantime, can you please make me a cup of tea? Sure. Did you have a lot of work at office today? Yes, we had an important meeting. What would you prefer to eat with tea? Biscuit or pakoras? Have you made pakoras? You are so sweet, Mom. I love pakoras. I know you love pakoras, that's why I made them for you. Here is your tea and here are your pakoras. Thank you, Mom. You just came back from your office. Why are you opening your laptop? Go and take some rest now. No way, Mom. I have to submit this presentation by tomorrow morning. It's not fair. Nowadays, companies create too much work pressure on their employees. What can be done, Mom? Competition is also increasing day by day. I have to say something to you. Yes, Mom. Tell me please. I am listening. We have to go to your grandma's house this Friday. Why, Mom? Anything problem? Your grandma called today. Actually, she wants to meet us. And for how long will we have to stay there? Maybe 3 days. I can't take a leave for 3 days, Mom. So then we have to go without you, dear. Oh no, Mom. How will I manage everything at home? I can't even cook. That's why I tell you to learn how to cook some basic food items at least. Please, Mom, don't leave me alone. We have to go because your grandma is unwell. Oh, then I will go too. Try to take a leave from your office. Yes, I think I can take a leave this Saturday. Can we go there on Saturday, Mom? Okay, I have to talk to your father then. Oh, thank you, Mom. At least I don't have to cook this time. What are you saying? Nothing, Mom. I promise I will learn how to cook soon. So, this was a conversation. I hope you liked it.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અમારી ચેનલ ક્રેઝી કિડ્સ લર્નિંગ. નવા વિડીયોનું નોટિફિકેશન મેળવવા માટે બેલ આઇકોન પ્રેસ કરવાનું ચૂકશો નહીં. અને જો તમને વિડીયો પસંદ આવે તો લાઈક અને શેર કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં.